permutations happen when I'm looking for arrangements where order matters. That's going to be a key component here. Order is going to matter. So we have a formula for this, and permutation P, and then we put in front of this N and R. N is the number of events that we have taken R at a time. So I have N items taken R at a time. So that's just symbolically how we write it. Here's the formula how we would write it. It's N with this exclamation mark, N minus R with an exclamation mark. And those exclamation marks basically mean this. They're called factorial. So 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. So let's look at an example. Let's suppose that I have a baseball lineup and I have 9 people. I have 9 players, and I want to know how many different arrangements that I can have for these players. Now, one way to look at it is just simply say in the first position of batting would be 9, 8, 7. Cleanup, there would be 6 different people I could choose. Now, hopefully you see that this starts looking like factorial, so we could say it is 9 factorial if I want to simplify it. If I want to use a formula, the number of people I have, 9 factorial, I'm taking 9, I have 9 people and I'm using all of them. R is the number I'm going to use. So that's equal to 9 factorial over 0 factorial. Well, 0 factorial is defined to be 1. So there's the formula. Now this would change if I said I had 12 people. Let's suppose I had 12 players and I have my batting lineup of 9 people. How would this change? Looking at the formula, I have 12 people for my first. Again, it starts to look like factorial, but the problem is it's going to go down and there's going to be some players left at the end because I'm not taking all 12 of them. I'm only using 9 of the 12. So the formula for this would be permutation. I have 12 players. I'm taking 9. The formula would be 12 factorial over 12 minus 9 because I need all 9. So looking at this, it would be 12 factorial over 3 factorial. So how do I deal with 3 factorial in a division problem? Well, if you think about this, this is 12 all the way down to 3 times 2 times 1. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. In a fraction, those will cancel out. So this lineup will end up with having these values being multiplied. Notice the 3, 2, 1 cancel out because I'm not using all of my players. But again, order matters. Order matters.